Hello again, welcome back. Another unboxing. I'm going to have to curb my enthusiasm. I can't keep up. This was from a local brewery, well, relatively local. It's a Broughton brewery in Biggar, near the Scottish borders. Or is it in the Scottish borders? And it was an offer they had on, so I thought, too good to miss. So let's see what they've got. So I think I've had this before, just recently, in a bottle. It was my forgotten stash ones. So this is the Hoppo series, and it's a session IPA. That is 4%. That is a very nice beer. And the proper IPA, I had that as well. That was in a bottle. So these are fresher than the ones I've just had. So that's 2 cans of the session and 2 cans of the proper. Is it proper IPA? What is that coming at? I think it's a 6. Oh, it's 4.5. Next, bottles. Oh, the blonde lager. Now, have I had that? I don't think I've had that. I have, but a long time ago. That's 4.5%, that one. Another blonde lager. So I'm thinking it might be just 3 or 4 individual ones. Yeah, blonde lager. Could it be blonde lager? Blonde lager! So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 beers. Which isn't bad at all. So that's 10 blonde lagers. So the football final's on tomorrow, or Sunday night. Although I'll be drinking I've got Moretti, Birra Moretti. I'll have that on draft, an Italian beer. So I'll be having that. I'm not saying who team I'm supporting, but I'll be drinking Italian beer. Anyway, just a quickie. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.